Welcome back to Learning with the Difference. News headlines in English for 22nd July. And first of all, national news. Gautam Adani overtook Bill Gates to become fourth richest person in the world. UP Cope started own school to help underprivileged children in the temple city Ayodhya. Kashmir National Highway closed due to landslide, thousands stranded. Traffic crawled in central Delhi due to Congress protest waterlogging. IRCTC is expanding the network of its Bharat Gaurav train, which will launch in June. The Bharat Gaurav train will originate from Delhi and cover the distance of approximately 8,000 kilometers between India and Nepal. Government spent 911.17 crore on advertisements in newspapers, televisions, channels and web portals over last 3 years. Up to 300 units of free electricity in Gujarat if AAP wins, Arvind Kejriwal. Airlines can't charge any additional fee for issuing boarding pass at check-in counters in airports, the Aviation Ministry said on Thursday. Draupadi Murmu is India's new president. India's space agency developing space tourism capabilities, Union Minister Jitendra Singh said on Thursday. And now some international news. Nearly 14,000 monkeypox cases have been reported from more than 70 countries. Ford is expected to announce the elimination of more than 4,000 jobs in the coming weeks, according to the Wall Street Journal. China loses $13 billion in 2022 so far from natural disasters. Italy's Prime Minister Mario Draghi resigned on Thursday after coalition implodes. Ranil Wickremesinghe was sworn in as the 8th executive president of Sri Lanka. Power outages interrupted Lanka's president's oath coverage. US Police Department equipped dog squad with sunglasses and shoes to beat the heat. Queen Elizabeth's jewels on display at Buckingham Palace from Friday. And now some sports news. 3-member FIH delegation is expected to visit India in August for an emergency meeting. Pakistan team celebrated after the win over Sri Lanka. Sri Lankan bowler Mahesh Theekshana has been ruled out of the second test against Pakistan with a finger injury, the country's cricket board said on Thursday. VVS Lakshman, who took charge of NCA in December, spoke about his vision for Indian cricket at the BCCI Apex Council meeting on Thursday. And now some news related to business. Sensex extended gains for fifth day, rises 284 points, Nifty reclaimed 16,600. Tesla sells 75% of its Bitcoin holdings after a turbulent crypto foray. Asian central banks forced to play catch up in global rush to hike rates. And now let's have a look on weather. On 22nd July, the temperature of New Delhi at the daytime will reach to 30 degrees Celsius and it will drop to 27 degrees Celsius at night. And that's all in news. Thank you to all of you.